Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the exact iCloud backup you want. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and manage backups to see dates and sizes. Once done, make sure the iPhone is charged and on a stable Wi-Fi network. Power loss or cellular interruptions cause failures. Next, erase the device or use a factory new phone. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset. Erase all content and settings to enter the iOS Setup Assistant and start the restore process. When the Setup Assistant prompts, sign in with the same Apple ID and password you used when creating the backup. This confirms access to iCloud data. Then select the backup you confirmed earlier. Pick the timestamp and size that match what you expect. After choosing Restore, files and apps download in the background. Make sure to keep the device connected to Wi-Fi and charging. Apps may reinstall later, but core settings, messages, and photos start restoring immediately once the download begins. Finish the on-screen setup steps and allow the device to complete background downloads. You'll see a progress bar for data and another for apps separately. Once done, verify restored content in Settings under your Apple ID and iCloud sections, and open Photos, Messages, and Key Apps to confirm. If the restore stalls or shows errors, reboot the device, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and retry. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or check Apple's system status. These actions resolve most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.